Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage, and today we're here with Joe. He's applying some filler to a 72 El Camino fenders. How you doing today, Joe?
Doing good, buddy. How about yourself?
Not too bad, not too bad. So you like applying the Johnny?
Yeah. In small quantities. Don't want to put too much in nothing. Just want to get enough in it to cover what you got to cover and try to get it as straight as you can. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. These fenders were actually pretty straight, weren't they? For
Yes,
something that's been
sir.
around for a couple years.
We opened them up. I was surprised.
So you worried about the coronavirus at all?
I think they're blowing it all out myself. I don't know. I know it's got a bunch of people scared, but I don't see where it's any different than the flu.
Yes, sir.
Just take care of yourself and do the best you can do, and that's all you can hope for.
You been taking any precautions, like not touching your face?
Yeah, I don't touch my face at all, as you can tell. Got black all over me from this thing. Yeah, you just had to say that too, didn't you? See, that's the difference between me and Scotty. I'm out here working and he's out here playing with me.
Gotta have a good time.
Yep, you can't have a good time at work. It ain't worth a darn.
Alright everybody, I just wanted to do a real quick video. We'll catch y'all later.